did good, partner. Oh, Daichi!
Boy, everybody keeps getting in my way. I'll never get any training done if this keeps up. I have to go someplace far away where I don't know anybody. That's the only way I'll be able to make this work. Huh? Oh!
No.
And after we came all the way out here, too. And now I'm completely exhausted.
Oh, I'm so hungry I can eat a bowl!
What do you think we should do now?
Sala, where did you get these new Bay parts?
I kinda found them.
Huh?
What? Can't you control that, Jinka?
It wasn't me. That was you, Madoka.
My stomach doesn't growl that loudly. I'm delicate.
So you're looking for someone?
Mm-hmm.